Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembur Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubak Prestone tensong mentakas ngi ke arpuh nyotrik ujembang arjar arpuh saw ulapan bena syikipat ba bakimde banting ni kulmar hagini gisngi halor ke jingwan jongkal air lang thari ni ke Cyclone namar ba ke sorkar kalade ban penkre ni ke benta hi Baroh. Ulang maka sorkar hak jingyalang mentakas ngi bat ki Deputy Commissioner beper jong ki district hapo ke Jylla Kladet ban rai ba ki DC Baroh ki district kimdei ban Thiah hagini gisngi bawan ke Cyclone Henry ki dei ban Trei bet Baroh arpusaw Kynta khnang ban ai ke jingyada ya ki breu ladadon kinu ki jingjia ki bas ngosi ne ki jingsha len shop haka maryang haba keli halor ke jingbembyang ki nala haka nongba usumbut Menteri Rangba ulaong bahalor kani kaladon ke jingpen baha haki katto kat ni teliki jaka Henry kadai badang don ke jingya Trei lang bat katanat PWD bat kumjuru katanat municipal bat ke urban affairs ban shnai ginala hadin balakut ka ayam slam haba kelipat halor ke jing hap jong ki ding haki surong usumbut Menteri Rangba ulaong bagi don ki klau ki badai try de ki sim bat ki right ru bat iya kani ru hap bandon ke jingya keren hap deng katanat forest bat kumjuru ki try jong ki klau ban ya keren ban shim ni ki senjam halor ke jingkelon bat hap jong ki ding
only a particular places or only a particular district, but in the state as a whole. In all the districts in the state, we are fully prepared. Yes, maybe few districts will be vulnerable, but that also we have instructed to all the district administration, all of them equally, not only to one district or two districts as I said to you, but all districts. We have instructed all the deputy commissioners to be more vigilant and also to be in the active mode fully.
Any
This issue, and we leave it to the wisdom of the district administration in consulting with the respective SDSEO or maybe DSEO, so they will take appropriate necessary decision on the ground. From the state government, we don't have to say anything on this, but of course, as I said to you, the advisory note that we have given to the district administration is take necessary steps, take a decision on the ground as and when you feel necessary.
Only thing
You talking about the drainage system where in the
city.
or in the city? Yes. See, again, we need to ultimately take the responsibility jointly, not only PWD alone or not only municipal or urban affairs alone. So now, of course, few stretches we have identified those vulnerable flooded area, and maybe when the monsoon is ended, from the PWD side, jointly with the urban affairs department as well as with the Shillong Municipal Board, we will take appropriate action accordingly.
But it has to be done before monsoon because
Constraint at all, and in fact in hand right now we do have not less than 20 crores, where ultimately depending upon the DC, the district administration, where they once they send a demand to the government, and accordingly will issue the sanction immediately. So
Is there any plan to at least cut down those old trees and the branches of trees which falls on the road?
Well, again, I think that this is a very vast question. Let me tell you a thing. As far as reserve forest is concerned, yes, forest department has their full responsibility to do it. But now again, when you talk about the state of Meghalaya, quite a number of forested areas falls under the individual, falls under the state, falls under the right. Again, as I said to you, this process also we need to sit down with all the stakeholders, then identify, and ultimately will maybe felling of such vulnerable trees can be done. Be it physically, be it whatever situation arises, we are ready, and we have instructed all the agencies, be it the government agencies, be it the NGOs, be it the stakeholders up to the village level, that they should cooperate and should also work closely with the government machinery, which is already, as I said to you, link up to the village level. This is what we have taken again the review meeting today, and we would like to inform and communicate to all the citizens of the state not to be panicky, but to also be in touch. Whatever eventuality happens, we are there, and the government is fully prepared for this.
So can you give us in detail what?
The preparedness is like this. Be it suppose a landslide happen, or be it maybe electricity disconnection may happen, or be it or be it the damages in your house, your houses, your building, or any damages which is going to happen. We don't know yet. But what I'm saying is all these issues have been taken care of, and today in the review meeting we have already specifically instructed to all the concerned deputy commissioners not to sleep, to work 24/7 as a challenge to the ongoing cyclone. We have identified, we have done it. I think you must have seen somewhere in the Sejong side. What happened was we raised even the level of the road. We have done it, and think you must have seen it few places we have done it. But again, let me tell you one thing, it's not only Piluri alone who has to do it. We need a joint effort, be it Urban Affairs Department, be it Shillong Municipal, as well as with Piluri Roads. We are consulting, and then we will do necessary action.
How many?
Right now we have quite a number, like East Chanty Hills, West Chanty Hills, and then even Southwest Khasi, East Khasi Hills, and then what else?
West,
Eastern, I think, Eastern West also. They are most likely to be vulnerable. But what I'm saying is that is not the end of the story. We have already taken a decision today in the review meeting that all the districts be active, be ready, and be prepared.